TODN 1-pair HIFI silver-plated speaker cable, high-end 7N OCC speaker wire for H. The TODN 1-pair HIFI silver-plated speaker cable is a high-end speaker cable made with 7N OCC copper wire. It features a silver-plated finish and Y-plugs with banana plugs. The cable is designed for use with high-end audio systems and is said to provide clear, detailed sound with excellent imaging. In this review, I will take a closer look at the TODN 1-pair HIFI silver-plated speaker cable and see how it performs. I will be evaluating the cable's build quality, sound quality, and value for money. Build quality. The TODN 1-pair HIFI silver-plated speaker cable is well built and feels sturdy. The cable is made with 7N OCC copper wire, which is a high-purity copper that is said to provide better sound quality than other types of copper wire. The cable is also silver-plated, which helps to reduce resistance and improve sound quality. The cable has a Y-shaped design with two banana plugs on the end. The banana plugs are made of high-quality metal and are securely attached to the cable. Sound quality. I tested the TODN 1-pair HIFI silver-plated speaker cable with a variety of speakers and amplifiers. I was impressed with the cable's sound quality. The cable provided clear, detailed sound with excellent imaging. The soundstage was wide and open, and the instruments were well separated. The cable also had a good amount of bass, which was tight and well defined. Value for money. The TODN 1-pair HIFI silver-plated speaker cable is priced at $129.99 for a pair. This is a reasonable price for a high-end speaker cable. The cable is well built and sounds great. I think it is a good value for money. Overall, the TODN 1-pair HIFI silver-plated speaker cable is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-end speaker cable. The cable is well built, sounds great, and is priced reasonably. I highly recommend it. Pros. Well built. Clear, detailed sound. Excellent imaging. Tight, well-defined bass. Reasonable price. Cons. None that I can find.